Hello everyone. We are beginning with a series of lecture on Treponema Pallidium. So let's begin with the classification of this organism. So this belongs to the domain, coming to the next slide, it belongs to domain bacteria. That means it's a single cell prokaryote. And phylum is Spirochetota, and characteristic of this phylum is that it has large group of motile bacteria which are widespread in the environment, and they are causing highly prevalent diseases even in human beings. Now, the class of this phylum is Spirochaetea. We are talking about this class since we will be going to the up to the species level of Pallidium, Treponema Pallidium. So we are discussing the class to which this Treponema Pallidium belongs. What is the characteristic feature of this class of organisms? That they are double membranous. They have endocellular flagella. That means their flagella can protrude out, then it can be taken inside the cell. It has axial fibrils or axial filaments, and they can be more than 100 per species depending upon the organism. Then the Treponema Pallidium belongs to order Spirochetes. That means it's a chemoheterotrophic bacteria. It has 3 to 500 micrometer length and diameter around 0.09 to at least 3 micrometer. So this is about the length and dia of the organisms belonging to order Spirochetes. Is family Spirochetaceae, that is the family of Treponema Pallidium, and what kind of organisms are present in the family Spirochetaceae. They can be slender, coiled, flexible, but with one or more complete turns in the helix of their flagella. And the genera in this family are Treponema, Borrelia, Leptospira. These are all causing disease to human beings. I have put those genera here. Now coming to the species, characteristic features of genus Treponema. Since we are reading this to study Treponema Pallidium, and we are starting with classification, so Treponema Pallidium belongs to genus Treponema, which has following characteristic features, that it is short, slender, pointed or rounded ants. That I'm going to put a picture of this organism when I will be discussing about the morphology. Here, just remember, it's a short cylinder coiled structure. Screw-like coils are present because flagella can be taken inside the cell and it can be extended by the cell. So it is endocellular flagella, and which can take a shape of a screw, like you have put a screw and then you can unlock the screw and then you can lock the screw. So its ends can be pointed or round. It's a Treponema genus is a common cell of mouth, intestine, and genitalia regions. This Treponema species genus has species which can cause venereal disease like syphilis, endemic syphilis. And what are the specific characteristic features or the species included in this genus? The species included in genus is Pallidium, which are subspecies Pallidium, Pertinu, and Endemicum. And it also has species Treponema cariaceum. We in the further lectures will be talking more about Treponema Pallidium, which causes syphilis. And this syphilis is a ancient disease, but still can be noted and can be seen. And this was discovered by Shorten and Hoffman in the chancres and inguinal lymph nodes for the first time. We will be studying about this in detail. Here, Pallidium word refers to that it stays pale. So it has pale staining, while it is a gram-negative bacteria. Later on, we will discuss about its morphology, culture characteristics, and the diseases caused by it. In this lecture, I'm focusing only on the classification. Later on, we will talk about all other things which are present in this organism. So here we stop this.